Rainfall activity over Goa is likely to increase from 14th August 2020. According to IMD Goa, increased rainfall activity over Goa is very likely during the period 14th August 2020 to 17th August 2020. The weather systems which are likely to enhance rainfall activity over Goa are a low pressure area formed over Northwest Bay of Bengal on 13th August. Strengthening of westerly winds at 1.5 km and 3.1 km above mean sea level. Strengthening of pressure gradient over Arabian Sea along Konkan coast and likely formation of a weather system called offshore trough. Very heavy rainfall exceeding 11.5 centimeters in 24 hours is very likely over North and South Goa district from 14th to 16th August. Rain is likely to be accompanied with winds of speed 35 to 45 kilometers per hour. Weather warning for Goa state issued by IMD Goa on 13 hours 1st of 13th August 2020. Heavy rainfall is very likely at a few places on 13th August 2020. Heavy rainfall is very likely at few places with very heavy rainfall, very likely at isolated places, winds of speed 30 to 40 kilometers per hour, very likely on 14th August 2020. Heavy to very heavy rainfall is very likely at a few places, winds of speed 35 to 45 kilometers per hour, very likely on 15th August 2020. Heavy to very heavy rainfall is very likely at a few places, winds of speed 35 to 45 kilometers per hour, very likely on 16th August 2020. Heavy rainfall is very likely at a few places with very heavy rainfall likely at isolated places on 17th August 2020. Possible impact of very heavy rainfall during the forecasting period over North Goa and South Goa district. Localized waterlogging, flooding of susceptible informal settlement, low-lying areas, bridges, agricultural fields and urban areas. Localized and short-term disruption to municipal services, water, electricity, etc. Possibility of mudslides and rockfalls in hilly and ghat areas. Weak trees may get uprooted. Possibility of collapse of weak old structures. Possible damage to crops. Possibility of swelling of rivers as increased rainfall is very likely over North and South Konkan. Some communities temporarily not accessible cut off. Possible impacts of winds during the forecasting period over North and South Goa district. Weak trees may get uprooted. Localized power interruptions. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.